What's up, guys? Today we are doing airsoft battles again. So basically, me and Gabe are going to be 1v1ing. Or, well, actually, I think... How's this going to work, Lucas? I'm really confused now that I think about it.
Basically, I'm the guy, I'm supply drop. I'm handing out extra mags, extra guns, and the first person to get a kill. Okay, you guys both get two. You guys first. What? Okay, you guys are... Okay, basically you guys each get 4 lives. Every time you're shot, you guys have to go back to your spawn. First person to get a kill gets a supply drop. After they get another, if the person kills them, they lose a supply drop, and then they have to give.
Oh, okay. So you have 4 lives, one shot each. Each life has 1 shot. I just brought my gun.
Yes.
Break it, break it, break it. Okay.
Oh, you guys like how stylish I am today? Oh yeah. Oh, you guys can't see my eyes, but I got them really big. Oh
Hi.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So Connor's gonna start over there on the side. Gabe, this guy, he's gonna start in the back. Oh my gosh, I would love if I had an attachment where I could just attach. I'm gonna follow Gabe.
Lucas, go in there, fold that thing up, and let me FBI open up it.
No.
Please?
No.
Please.
No.
Close it.
No. I don't want to break my fence.
Lucas, just film it.
No.
Please?
No.
I've done it before.
I said no. I'm gonna shoot you if you do it. Guys, he thinks I'm playing, but this thing's fully loaded. Do it, I dare you. Bang bang, you're dead. Okay, so you're gonna go. I'm gonna keep the gun on me. 3, 2, 1, go! This would be awesome editing. I'd itch my face. Oh, you wanna know what I did? I climbed the fence last time from the other side. Yeah, you weren't able to find me because I climbed the fence from the other side. So it was good.
What's up?
Bang bang. Okay, here, you might want to actually go up front because he doesn't know the way. He doesn't know to jump the fence like I do. Yeah, I said go! Guys, the Gabe is twerking. Honestly, I could help you get up in the tree up front. No, not that one, the one up front. That'd be hilarious. Guys, gnats are all over me, it's annoying. Time to go check out Connor. Oh, hey, what's up, bro? Say what's up to the viewers. Well, how did you guys move that? I haven't been able to move this thing in years. Oh, wow. Look. Skills. Look, skills. He's not over there. Can't say. I'm a camera guy. Oh, and supply drop guy. You can summon a UAV after you get 2 kills. Where I tell you where he is.
I hate you so much. Lucas, move.
I'm gonna go.
Bang bang.
What?
That's closer than 10. That's closer than 10, dude. That's dead. It's fine.
I'm actually just where I started.
Yeah, okay, Connor. Here you go. It's fully loaded.
Bang bang.
Yeah, bang bang.
Bang bang. Go back to spawn.
Yeah, he is at spawn. That's literally where he started.
Is it calm?
Yes. Safety's on though. He said bye bye.
The only bad thing about this is that it sucks with this gun.
What are you talking about? You just gotta aim it right.
I am.
Dude, that's sick. It blurs the license plate for you. Like, I'm looking right at it, but nothing's popping up. It's just a blur. That's awesome. I don't know your phone could do that, but okay.
I don't know.
That's blind shooting. I swear, if I get shot because of you, I'm gonna hit you. What are you aiming at me for then? No blind shooting.
I'm just ready to go up and do a bang bang.
I swear, if you get that close to me and he starts shooting me, I'm gonna hit you. Stop moving. You're gonna end up shooting me. Dude, just... Oh, that's game?
Yeah, I got
got it.
Oh, you didn't even get to shoot it yet. What? Okay, I'll be in a sec. Okay, you guys each got 3 lives?
Apparently.
Good. Gabe, go start over there. Connor, you go start in your spawn. Here, I'll tell you guys when he's in his spawn. Nah, I'm gonna go follow Connor this time. I'm following you, just go to your spawn. Okay, 3, go! Start! So, how's today with the Kojo legend? Are you eating bean burritos? That's good!
I'm really scared of Gabe. I don't like Gabe.
Now that scared me. I don't care what you say. That scared me.
What was that?
It was probably fireworks. I said go. Don't shoot me. I'm a camera guy. I can't say anything, so don't ask. Hey, Connor, come here. I'll show you something. I'll show you way back there. I know, come here. I'll show you way back. Hey, we gotta hurry though. The speed walk in case he comes out front. Come on, let's go. Jeez. Come on, come on. Be quiet. He's right there. Right there. He sees me.
He sees me.
Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. I'm right here. Don't shoot me. Hey, how about after this, me and Connor switch? That'd be intense. Jump the fence. Jump the fence.
What, here?
No, no. Go over there, put your foot on that, and jump.
What, like that?
Shit, that scared me.
Every time.
Let's go. You broke my fence.
You know, I'm not gonna jump it. I think it's from the house.
Well, run, because I'm not going to get shot. I pushed Connor in front of me. It's not empty. Put it back in. The game's still going. That hit you. That hit you, bro. That hit you. That hit you.
Even shot.
Okay, you're at 2 lives. He's at 3.
I was even seeing. I think it was jammed.
Oh wait, are we switching, Connor?
I kind of want to finish this.
Okay. All right. I also gotta eat dinner. Also, so 2 and 3.
Let him win.
Okay, go.
Go back to spawn.
My flowers are blooming. Let's go. Okay, what is that? I heard yay. Oh, that's fine. It's just Jace. Go ahead, Connor. Go to your spawn. Gabe, go to your spawn. Ready, set, go.
Anywhere there's like 6 POV things where it's like.
Oh yeah, do it.
What?
Do it. Hey, let me scoot back now.
Why?
Do
I
it now.
did it.
Do it. No, I didn't get it on camera. No. Stop moving. Now do it.
It's what they do in video games. Like when they pick up a new gun and they don't know what it is, they have to look at it.
It's called Gucci-ness.
It's called sickness.
It pushed you. Oh, low battery, 20%. I told you, your battery sucks. I don't see him. I just see him getting shot.
They do it.
There is no fireworks.
They're like shooting like firecrackers.
So how's life, Connor? Life as a soldier. I see you doing the hop. Bunny hop, boy. That's not gonna go through. He's behind the boot.
I don't like it.
He's running.
No, he's not. Bang, bang.
Bang bang.
I said it first.
He was behind the door though. And then he said it. Oh, you're dead.
I hate you.
You can't. You have to be
I
like
thought I was
in.
dead already anyway.
Yeah. Okay. Just to make it clear, you have to see him. And I'm freakishly tall. You have to see him. You have to be able to be within 10 feet in order to call bang bang.
Okay, there we go.
You're wasting ammo, just to let you know. Okay, 3, 2, 1, activate. Sorry, that was my fart extinguisher. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's already out. I'm not caught!
Here.
That's it! I saw it!
I didn't see it though.
That's cheating, Gabe. It didn't call a hit.
I don't know, I didn't see it.
Hit your leg. I saw it.
Keep playing, I didn't see it. Okay guys, someone's walking by, so you gotta wait. Hello. Connor's right there. Just gonna keep shooting. Dude, that thing was loud. Yeah, it did. It exploded. It just wasn't big. Okay, Connor. Oh, is that game? Is that game? Okay, guys, that was game.
Come on, where'd that shoot you? Come on, where'd that hit you?
Guys, that is game.
What do you think?
Guys, that's game. So,
Oh my God, I freaking broke my dumb gun.
you did?
Top freaking snapped off.
Where'd that hit
Oh,
you?
man.
In the eel? Or
What do
behind
you
you?
think, Gabe?
Okay, guys.
Are you okay? Can you heal?
Let's just, we have technical difficulties. Please stand by. Is it shooting?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Still Cockwell?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And if you guys enjoy these, make sure you guys like, subscribe. It's Gucci. Bye, guys. Bang, bang.
Okay.